So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna see how to use Pixlr. So Pixlr is also a free online photo and editor, and you can also generate unlimited of AI image generator. So today in this video we're gonna see how to use Pixlr AI image generator. So let's just go to the AI image generator. So as you can see guys, you can create as much as you want of AI images. So this one is really great, like the Rock Johnson, and you can see the reference images. So this is really great. So in this video we're gonna create something functional, like here you can create unlimited of image manipulation type of images. So this one is really great. If you are creating some social media images, or so guys, this one is really great. So there is also an option like edit images. So I'm gonna hit the edit image. So you can also edit your images from here. So as you can see, you can crop, you can cut out the image, and you can adjust the color. So this one is really great. So I'm gonna get back. And so guys, with Pixlr.com you can create unlimited of AI images. As you can see, this type of images you can create unlimited of a story or good night error stories. This I'm gonna make this images. So it says black children dressed shabbily playing in a remote village at night with stars in the sky. So guys, this is really good. You can create ebooks. You can create app story for children. So I have given from like 3 friends in magical journey, like Harry Potter world, magical, and emotion. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna hit generate. So guys, as you can see, I needed some images of a 3 friend story. So this one is really great. So as you can see, so I can download the image, save. So we can also check other images here. This one is really great. So you can see here, you can edit the image, you can remix it, you can download it. So if I remix this image, so let's see what happens if I remix this. So if you see, okay, so I'm gonna hit and generate again. So this will remix this image like in 4 different images. So as you can see, you can also remix any of the images. This one is really great. If you are creating a story books for kids, so you're gonna create a great book cover with this image. So I'm gonna save this one also. So guys, Pixlr AI image generator is really great. You can use it to create awesome AI image generator. If you want to create some historical images, so you're gonna get your images from Pixlr AI. So this one is really great. As you can see, you can create more warrior type of images. So this one is really great. So that's all guys. Use Pixlr AI image generator to create your awesome AI images. So thank you so much.